Hi, hello, welcome to our channel Royal Architecture Bangalore. Today I am going to take you through one of our recently started 10-year-old home renovation project which is located at Abbigere, Bangalore. Before getting into the technicalities and scope of the project, let me first show you how the house was before. You will also see how our design team helped the client to visualize the transformation through 3D views and walkthrough. For more videos on old home renovation, load-bearing home renovation, bathroom renovation, structural renovation and interior design, please call us today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Royal Architecture. Thank you.